Welcome to FiberMall's 800G OSFP Fin Top Loopback Module video. The OSFP 800G Fin Top Loopback Module is OSFP transceiver ports tested, plug in, and out more than 500 times. This module has C-temp or I-temp options and integrates heat sinks for high-power thermal control. The 800G OSFP Fin Top Loopback Module is ideal for switch testing. The 800G OSFP Fin Top Loopback Module plugged into switch. The module tail light is on to indicate that the port is connectable. After successful connection, you can check the module information through commands. For any inquiries, please visit FiberMall.com. For any inquiries, please visit FiberMall.com.